Hello everyone, I'm going to report the forms and famous Filipino patterns. Tapayan, large wide mountain clay jar called tapayan or timpayan have a long story in Southeast Asia, particularly within South Asian culture. These versatile jars serve as multiple purpose from fermenting food and drinks to storage provision, even holding the decay. Then ang tapayan is primary used for storing liquids such as water and fermenting rice, wine, or tapine, and for preserving food. And then, ang tapayan pod is pwede po siya panggamit sa ritual and symbolic significance. We're also imbued with spiritual significance. Sometimes, ginagamit ni siya in burial practices and other rituals. Next. Manonggol jar. The Manonggol jar is significant secondary burial jar found in the Manonggol cave in Palawan, Philippines, dating back 890 to 710 BC. It is recognized as one of the finest pre-colonial artwork in the Philippines. So, as you can see, ang kini siya nga jar is kanang duha ka tao is naga-represent sa atong soul's journey to the afterlife. Then ang manunggol jar considered as masterpiece of the Philippines in pre-colonial art and national treasure. Next, palayok. A palayok is a traditional clay pot used for food presentation in the Philippines, known as kolon in the Visayas and anglet for smallest size, made from earthenware. The palayok is burning until the palayok is porous, allowing steam to escape while cooking. This characteristic prevents food from burning until the water evaporates, resulting the fully cooked meal. So, makita man dyan na ang mga palayok no nga. Klaro jud kay dira nga ang palayok is dili lang kanang panglutuan, pwede pud siya himuon natong kining kining kanang mga plato sa pagkaunan. Next is the Ilocano Burnay. Burnay refers to unglazed earthen posts that have been made in vegan Philippines. Since pre-colonial times, influenced by Chinese migrants, these jars, characterized by small opening, were traditionally used to store items like tea, rice grain, salt, brown sugar, local wine, and bagoong, with the latter two reportedly tasting better when stored in Borneo. Additionally, Burnay jars are utilized in fermenting vinegar from the sweet soap of the Aringa pinnata sugar palm tree, crafted by skilled potters ag- using grade A clay and fine sand. Burnay jars are shaped in a patterns while a fire in high temperature kills made in the brick and clay, resulting in their durability. Next, Kalinga jar. Kalinga jar is the ceramic vessels are categorized into three types: rice cooking pot, vegetable meat cooking pots, and water storage pot. Rice cooking pots are typically large, thinner, and have smaller opening, while vegetable meat pot very size water storage pot are the average uniform size with smaller neck, while rice and vegetable meat pots can some in large, medium, and smaller size. There are exceptions in large vegetable meat pot and smaller water storage pot also existing. Ang kalinga jar is, and then pwede po nato ni siya as kanang mga atong mga nanay karon kay pwede nato ni siya aside sa butanganan og kining tubig, mga vegetable meat pots o kining pwede siya pangluto, pwede po nato ni siya ma-decorate sa balay. Next, the Filipino potters. John P.T. Pattern, born in 1950 in Okinawa, Japan, it is prominent figure in contemporary Philippines ceramic alongside with his wife Tessie. With 38 years of experience, he is specialized in high fire Asian style ceramic balancing functional pieces with sculpture elements. So, as you can see, si John P.T. John is ang iyahang sculpture is more on kanang kanang sa ni kining basta kini siya kini akong gipakita nga picture. Mao na iyahang sculpture. And then next si James D. Guzman, originally from Lilius, studied fine arts at the University of the Philippines and it's best known as the social realistic painting characterized by broad stroke, unsettling subject, and four bonding colors. His interest in pottery began after being introduced to the craft by Anne Polkinghorne in Mexico. He further purposed pottery after moving with Polkinghorne to Sagada in 1980s and currently based in Candelaria, Quezon. So si J.D. Guzman is naga-painting siya ay ang iyahang skills kay which is pag-painting. Next is si Eugeo Bigyan or si Agustus or Eugeo Bigyan began his career as an accountant before fully dedicating himself to pottery in Quezon. His creations are inspired by nature, featuring design that includes leaves, butterflies, birds, and organic shapes, often enhanced with wooden twigs and vines. Visitors to his pottery garden and restaurant in Tiaong can enjoy fish provincial dishes served on his ceramic plates in bamboo pavilions, a lush garden, and also shop and his ceramic wares. So si Augusto Bigyan is siya naga ang iyang mga hinimo is inspired by nature featuring design that includes leaves. So mao ni iyang mga artwork. Next is si Joey De Castro began his career in anthrograph ay Joey De Castro began his career in photography but transitioned in pottery after taking lessons to create pots for his succulent collection. What started as a hobby evolved into a full-time career. He is referred to as a condo pattern because his studio and kiln are situated on the upper floor for a building where he also operates a gallery showcasing temporary Philippines pottery. So si Joey De Castro is mao ni iyahang mga artwork which is kining mga baso nga nga mga succulent collection. Next is si E.J. Espiritu, who studied ceramic engineering and lived in the United States, restaurant to the Philippines, and settled in Silang, Cavite, where he established carto- cornerstone pottery with his wife Eva. Inspired by the rural environment, he creates dedicated vessels in colors like mustard, celadon, and cobalt blue, along with 80 serving dishes for top restaurant in Metro Manila, and additionally to running the 20 years old pottery farm. Espiritu also a teacher pottery at his studio in Silang. The couple began their business in ceramic shortly after their marriage in 1996. So si Espiritu is ang iyang ginahimo is mga plate which is ang ginagamit niya nga color is mustard, celadon, and combat blue, along with early serving dishes for top restaurant. So naa ni siya restaurant sa Metro Manila, and then ang yang Metro Manila. Thank you.